Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to register your green plant in the Leap app. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you understand the process from start to finish. By the end of this guide, you'll have your beloved plant successfully added to the app, ready for personalized care and tracking. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. To begin, simply open the Leap app on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the plant registration section, which you'll typically find in the main menu or on your dashboard. Before you start inputting details, make sure you have all the necessary information about your plant handy, such as its species and when you acquired it. This preparation will make the next steps much smoother. Now it's time to carefully enter all the required details about your green plant into the designated fields. This includes selecting the correct plant type from the options provided, giving your plant a unique and memorable name, and noting its current health status. Take a moment to double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy before moving forward. Precision here ensures the best tracking experience. Finally, review all the information you've entered one last time to confirm everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, simply tap the Register or Save button to finalize your plant's addition to the app. Congratulations! Your green plant is now successfully registered and ready for personalized tracking, care reminders, and all the wonderful features the Leap app offers to help your plant thrive. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.